Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to another beautiful day in the garden. Happy New Year. Today is the Persian New Year. Eid Mabarak. Happy Nowruz to all of you. Actually makes a little bit more sense to have the New Year be the first day of spring when everything is blooming and all the flowers are coming up. It's so beautiful here right now. The jasmine is blooming. We have some irises blooming. We have some daffodils blooming. It's just really, really pretty here, and I'm loving the sunshine and hopefully no more rain for a while. Tonight we're going to do a pour to celebrate those beautiful springtime colors. I'm using this 20-inch wood round that's a ½ inch thick. I have put it on my spinner. I don't know that I'm going to spin it out. We'll see what happens. I have some beautiful colors here that we have actually used previously. I will show you real quick though. This first one is Naples Yellow from Amsterdam. This one is Pebeo Studios Iridescent Red Blue. This one is Pebeo Studios Iridescent Orange Yellow. This is Amsterdam Titanium White. And this is Amsterdam Permanent Blue Violet. And of course we have our 24 karat gold from DecoArt Americana Decor Metallics. So let's layer a cup and we will pour something. I kind of want to do a ring pour. I haven't done one in a really long time, so that's what we're going to play with tonight. We're going to start off with a tiny bit of white in the bottom of the cup. Oh, this is all mixed with the Owatrol pouring medium, by the way. This is not Floetrol. So this is my Golden's Heavy Gel Gloss and Owatrol. Some gold. We're going to put some of that permanent violet in there. We're going to go with the red blue, because I think that's going to be a really striking combination. The red blue is probably my favorite of all the color shifting ones. I love that shift from that beautiful red to a gorgeous electric blue. So let's come in with another little bit of yellow, the gold first, and then we're going to do the Naples Yellow. And maybe a little bit more. And the orange yellow again. The gold. White. There's the blue violet. And the red blue. A little bit of gold. White. And there's, after the yellow, I'm putting 2 layers, one gold and one white, before I put the purple down, because I really don't want the purple and the yellow touching each other or talking to each other or becoming friends, because they're not. Okay, let's layer that one as the last color. Okay.
So they'll have very ugly offspring? Is what you're saying?
Well, they'll have very muddy offspring. Purple and yellow next to each other, combining is generally not a good thing. And since we're not using a split cup, they are going to blend a little bit. But since we have barriers on either side, we should be okay. Okay, I have 3 little green dots there that are where, this is actually 18 inches, not 20 inches. So the 9-inch mark is the halfway point. So we're going to start with a puddle of gold right there. I'm just going to spin this real quick, just to spread it out just a little bit. Such a trip how it. I do have that taped onto the spinner, so that'll be fine. Let's start there. All right. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Aye, lass, that I am.
Okay, cool. I don't know that I'm going to stay in one place. I might change it around and have it become a wandering ring pour, but we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Here we go, darling. Ready?
Yes.
Here we go. I'm going to spin this a little bit though.
Whoa, that's cool.
Okay. That's interesting. Okay, we're just going to take the gold and go around the edge here. Give ourselves a little bit of a flow extender. I'm going to take my red blue and put some of that around the edge as well. Spread that out a little bit. Should we give this a spin or should we tilt it, do you think?
Spin it.
Spin it?
I say spin it.
Okay, we will spin it and see how this goes. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Yes, my love.
And before I spin it, I just I'm just going to put a little bit of a swirl in the center. There we go. That's better. Okay. It needs to come this way a little bit. I'm still tilting it. I'm a tilter. What can I say? All right, here we go. Ready?
Yep.
Nice and gentle. Spreads out so fast. All right, we still have way too much paint on there, so we're gonna go again. We're gonna keep spinning. Because I like the center, I'm not sure I like what's happening around the edges that much, so we're gonna keep spinning it so that we expand the center. I don't know, I'm loving it actually. Are you? I don't like it. And now I have paint everywhere.
R2 doesn't like it either.
R2 doesn't like it either? Yeah. These are my good colors. Alright. Let's see. What can we do? You know what? I think I'm going to grab my split cup and I'm going to layer a split cup real quick. We're going to do a nice ring pour in the center without spinning. So, we're going to do this again. Over here. I don't like that. It looks murky and weird to me. I mean, the center is kind of cool with those lines, but I don't like the outsides of it. Alright, so we're going to put some red blue on this side of this chamber. This is a 10-ounce split cup from acrylicpouringtools.com from Tracy Reed and her lovely husband,
Chris.
Chris. And we're going to put the iridescent orange yellow next to that. Let's hope we have enough paint left. It's about halfway. Alright. We're going to put some white and gold in the center and stack those two, like I like to do. Naples Yellow next to that. And let's see. I don't really want to put the purple next to the yellow. I really don't. What else have we got here? We have a blue. Let's do blue. Prussian Blue. We'll just put that in there. Okay. Alright. Let's try this one more time. I'm going to give it one more good spin to get some of that extra paint off. And the paint is flying everywhere.
You have decorated your toes again?
I always decorate my toes. Alright. try this again. Right? We're gonna start like over here.
Okay.
Are you ready, husband of awesomeness? Actually, is it? It's not ugly, is it? Is it? It is ugly. There's a thing right there. Okay. Here we go. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Yes, my love.
Take 2. Here we go. I'm not gonna spin the table this time. We're just gonna do a nice pretty ring pour. Switching directions occasionally. That's really pretty. Okay. Edge is fine. All right, let's give this a spin. Whee!
Ooh.
That's kind of cool though. Now we're going to tilt this a little bit. Because I love those lines. I think they look great. And I don't want to compromise. We don't want to tilt onto the spinner either. That would be bad. Okay. Come off that edge. Let's just take this down. And let it roll. So you see how much crisper the colors are and how distinct they are, that there's so much less blending, and that's absolutely because of the split cup that we used. Those chambers keep the colors separate and not intertwined. Sorry, it's kind of hard to hold it when there's nothing on the back. Just go off this edge right here. Put this back on here just for a second so we can look at it. That looks pretty cool, actually. I like it.
Yep.
See something.
It's like a dragon's eye from here.
Oh yeah?
Yep.
Cool. I do love these colors though. I think this is going to turn out beautiful when it's dry because of that red blue. Especially with the Prussian in there now. It looks really, really cool. Turn it so you guys can see. I'm going to torch this real quick. Okay.
See, when it's this way, to the way I see it, with the blue at the top,
Mm-hmm.
it looks like that blue streak is an eyelid. I mean, sorry, an eyebrow. And then the other looks like a dragon's eye.
I like this. I like it a lot. I think it's really cool. Okay, we're going to stop there. I don't think that it's going to be dry in time to show you for Wednesday, but I will show you some other dried results of things that I have resined. I finally resined that moon and stars, which I will show you in the sunlight because they look really cool. So thank you so much for being here. Happy New Year to you all. Eid Shalom Mabarak. Happy Nowruz. I hope that the sun's shining on you and the flowers are blooming on you and you smell the jasmine everywhere. So thank you for being here with us tonight. We will be back next week with dried results and another in our Goddess series. Very exciting stuff. So thanks for being here. Okay, so I did put a coat of resin on this moon. Super, super shiny now. Really came out very, very cool. I love it. And also, let's see if it'll stay there. On the stars. It came out so pretty. Especially with the resin on. Just gorgeous. This other big one. And the little ones came out super pretty. Focus, there we go. One more little one. I love that one. Very cool. And you can see the color shift through. Whoops! This is Kuan Yin. And these are my Lolas that are blooming for springtime. So this came out awesome. Thank you guys so much for being here with us today. I will show you the dried results of today's piece in Sunday's video. Thanks for being here. Hope you have a wonderful, wonderful weekend or wonderful week and a beautiful springtime. See you guys soon. Bye-bye. Look how cute she is. I love it. Carrot tulips and ranunculus and daffodils. They're so pretty. This is my favorite thing. I do, it's beautiful.
7 Haft Siin for spring. Seal, garlic for bad breath. Candle.
Sham.
Seke.
Seke is
Seke
money.
is coins. Seke. It starts with S.
Sombol.
Sombol starts with
You
S.
gotta smell the sombol. The hyacinth smells amazing.
Sib.
Sib is apples. Shiri.
Senjed. Senjed is those things like I don't know whatever they are. And then sumac.
Sumac is over there, yeah.
That you put on the rice.
Sumac is over there.
So that's 7, I
Beautiful
think.
flowers. Look at the rose. What is that?